I'm going to tell you all the story of what happened to my phone, but basically, here's the new one. Here's the new phone. This is the iPhone 15 with the USB-C cord and the no notch at the top. There's no notch there. But I was, sorry, she's hot. I gotta put her down. And then here's my old phone. She's not on, unfortunately. She's gone. She died a few days ago. Here's her remains, or whatever you call it. I thought this thing was my baby. I cared about her so much. She was in pristine condition, though there is white marks on the screen, but that's totally normal. But she's not broken. She just has something going on internally inside of her thing, and she has a new battery in her, which didn't last very long, unfortunately. The screen is no longer working as of right now, but yeah. uBreakiFix busted up my phone. So basically what happened is I took this in for a repair, for a battery replacement, because the battery capacity was low. Here's the bubble wrap. That's just a bonus. Anyway, the battery capacity was low. I went in to go get a free battery repair because it was on my Verizon Home Protect. And unfortunately, things took a turn for, well, the worst. When I got the phone back, the phone wasn't ringing or vibrating as it should. And then the next day, the ring and vibration came back, but the volume buttons weren't working. The silence button was acting really weird. It was stuck on silent mode for a while. I mean, the buttons worked fine, but the phone was like really slow and laggy. I had no idea what was wrong with it, but yeah. Oh man, she's already got scuff marks on her. I'm sorry. Sorry about that. Anyway. Yeah, so we tried to get the screen and stuff repaired, but my dad said, you know what, fuck this, and gave up on this phone being repaired. And he was just pissed at uBreakiFix because uBreakiFix broke my phone. I didn't. They said something was going on with the motherboard, and I'm sitting here thinking, you guys did that. I didn't do this. You guys did this because the phone was working perfectly fine before I turned it in, and now it's gone. It's dead. Everything's dead. Unfortunately, I need to do a data transfer because without the data transfer, I can't log into this phone right over here. So, but yeah, I'm gonna miss her so much. Unfortunately, I can't keep this phone as well. I have to get rid of her. So, also, if you're wondering what that is, that's a bag of chips. That's my dad's. That's not mine. But yeah, I have to get rid of her, unfortunately. As much as I don't want to get rid of her, unfortunately, I have no other option. They are asking this to be returned to them because of the incident with the uBreakiFix. I don't know what they're going to refurbish and give it to someone else, but yeah, I'm going to miss her so much. She just, oh man, I'm going to miss all the memories I made with this phone. All the videos I made with this phone were all on here. Anything from October 2023 to now, this is what I used. This phone right here. She is the reason why all those videos all came out. So, yeah, I'm going to miss this phone a lot. But yeah, that's it. I sort of got a working phone, but I can't do anything with it right now. Jeez, wait, she's hot. I can't do anything with it right now because we got to get her activated and such. So, I'm going to miss her so much. I know. I'm going to miss you so much. I'm going to miss her so much. I took the care of this phone a lot. I didn't smash her. She was never broken. All she needed was a battery replacement, and that ended up screwing her over, and it killed her. Unfortunately, it killed my phone. So, yeah. Over the past few days, I've been finding other ways to entertain myself, like, being on the tablet, playing games, because I can't do anything with this phone right now. And then over here, this phone just came in today, so I haven't been able to do anything with it yet. But yeah. Well, that's it. So in case you're wondering what happened to my phone, there you go. That just explains to all my Discord buddies, I guess. So you're welcome. Bye.